one-word grammar matrix. Lesson 1. This will be not short lesson. This will be hard lesson, but very nice lesson. What will be happens if you don't watch intro for one-word grammar matrix? What means in Speak English method? Please go back and watch it, because I will not repeat myself. Only shortly what will happen in this video. Improvisation, only improvisation, that means real speak without any help, with 51 English grammar, which is so hard. But this is nice, because I will use it without any learn. Will be any story and more people in this story. How? Here is grammar, first column, in next column words in English with these grammars. That's all. And this is absolutely enough. So, if you are ready, we can speak. This first word is in base form, guess. That means I will use this word. This will be all my sentences. This word will be the base word, not in base form. So, in this story will be, if I'd like to eat something, I only guess how and where I can buy it, what I'd like to eat, or what I'd like to eat. I don't know. This is the reason why I only guess only. And I know too, to guess is not the best solution if I like to eat something. Here is Mercadona, for example. I can go to the Mercadona and I can buy something, because guessing not enough for my situation. If I am hungry, I like to eat something. But at this moment, I guess only. But I told for myself, I do not guess again, because I will know what I'd like to eat. For example, sushi, sashimi. Do you guess too when you'd like to buy something to eat? Or you know perfectly what is the best for you? What would you like to eat? So a few days ago, I went to the shop to Mercadona, but I knew this is not the best place if I'd like to eat sushi, because near this Mercadona here in La Mata is very good Asian restaurant to order sushi. Very good restaurant, I recommend it for you. And what happens when I was in Mercadona? What I saw around me. This man guesses. She guesses too. And what happens? What I saw around me? We guess only. And I learned. All people only guess. They guess around me. I didn't know what I'd like to buy. Maybe any bread or milk or something. But this is not for me. So I guess again and again. I'm guessing with this story at this moment too, because I have nothing in my mind what I'd like to tell you. And I remember for this helper in Mercadona, she asked me what I'd like to buy. And in my mind was only this one. After she asked me what I'd like to buy, which type of fish, and I told myself, I don't know which type of fish is the best for me, because these fishes is so hard and I never learned which fish is which one. because I like to eat this fish such as sushi. But not any fish is good or enough to sushi, such as in qualified. So I've guessed only in this shop. In my mind, I play what I'd like to eat because I didn't know what will be good for me at this moment. I've been guessing, but I don't know what I'd like to eat, told I myself. I think that this situation is the best if I buy nothing to eat. If someone don't know what I'd like to eat, the best solution is go out from the shop and that's all. So I went out to this shop and I guessed in myself again and again. I knew if I go to the right, this Asia restaurant is on the right side. Or if I go to the left side, where is the sea, here is the sea before me, I go to the home and I will eat what I find in the frigidaire. But I saw in shop, when I remember what happens in Mercadona, this person near me, he guessed too. And maybe his wife, she guessed too. Because I learn we are all guessed only. I used to guess to achieve something, not only with eat when I am hungry, but for best places. For example, Cabo. I read a lot of times this word Cabo. What? Cabo Roigo, what is this one? I don't know. Nea in La Mata. Now I know I will guess this word, Cabo Roigo, what is this one? Because I remember for this first word, Cabo. But where is this one? I don't know. Maybe 1 week ago, with my partner, in my GPS on my phone, I typed this name Cabo and I drove to this town, or what is this one? Maybe 20 kilometers from La Mata. And I felt I'm going to guess again and again because we drove to Cabo without any plane. I will be guessing again and again because you can yourself to work with these words, with grammars in real time without any script is so hard, but this is the best because this one is C2 level plus. So back to my story, because I will have been guessing what I'd like to eat and back to the future when I will be hungry and maybe I will be like to something to eat. But I know at this moment I will guess again. And in this situation is the best what I find in frigidaire. This is the best for it and that's all. And finish. If I go back to what happens in Mercadona few weeks ago, I would have guessed to find the best fish. Which fish is the best for me to do something with this fish. But I don't like to cook this fish. I'd like to eat as raw food. But not any fish is good or enough or qualified for sushi level. So at this moment, when I go to this shop back, I can guess only. Yes, I could guess if I learn and study, where can I buy a best fish for my sushi? When I learn, where can I buy this type of fish? I should guess. This is so simple. If someone study, they shouldn't guess. But at this moment, because I never read about where can I find the best fishes to my raw food, I must guess only. Because without any information, I can't find from these fishes the best fish for me. I have to guess because I didn't read about these fish. Yes, I shooted what I saw and I opened my AI and asked what means in Spanish language this type of fish. But nothing happens because more studies must I give for this team. I may guess at this moment, and this situation is so simpler, not so hard what I think about these fishes at now. I might guess at this moment around fishes, and I know the best solution is if I go in Torrevieja to any fish shop or fish market, where can I buy the best types and good qualified fish to create my raw food, for example, sashimi, which I called for you few minutes ago. Guess what I bought in Mercadona? Which type of fish? Because this helper, she asked me a few times what I'd like to buy, and she helped me. Was very polite woman, but without any information, this fish is not allows me to find the best. Until I can speak in Spanish, I can't ask her which is the best fish to make sashimi. The answer was guessed. I bought nothing in Mercadona. And I think that today, if someone don't know what like to eat, the best solution is to go out from the shop and to eat nothing. And now I have a guess. I have a very good guess how to buy a fish. Here is my laptop. I can type, for example, fish market, Torvija, and this one can search, can find for me where is this market where I can buy the best qualified fish, which is very good for example, salmon and tuna, which is the best for me for sashimi. A better guess is this one. Or if I go for my friend and he can tell me where is the fish market, if this one exists in Torvija, I don't know, or in La Marina. This one is maybe 30 or how much kilometer from Torvija. So I don't know at this moment where can I buy the best sashimi. That means the best tuna and salmon, for example, if I choose between two. The best guess is this one only. Go to the internet and find this market. I haven't better guess at this moment because where? And now I think if I guess, I will know. But question is only this one. When? How much time I must to guess only to find this solution? Where can I find the best fishes for my raw food? I don't know. But I know if I guessed, I will know. If I do something, for example, I guess, I will find the solution. If I had guessed, I would have known before I went to the shop to Mercadona which type of fish is best for me to eat something, for example, sashimi, or to make maki. I'm guessing at this moment too, but I know, and you know too, the best solution is to use internet to find the best fish market, because on a fish market is fresh tuna or salmon, for example. Better is if I study which type of fish is good for me. But simple solution is near the Mercadona here in La Mata is Asian restaurant. I go inside and I order this sushi. This is the reason why at this moment I don't guess what I'd like to eat. Because I learned what I told you 4 minutes ago. If I don't know what I'd like to eat, I will eat nothing. Yes, I do. If someone is hungry, anything is good and enough to eat if he is hungry. At this moment, this is the good question. If am I hungry? No, I am not hungry at this moment because I ate something to breakfast. Could you guess what I ate to my breakfast? Maybe not. I guess. So that's all. What I'd like to show you how to use only one word and how to create a team around this one word in improvisation. In story, where is one story, minimum one person, you can narration your story. Maybe this is so hard, but when you practice it, and I told you this video will be not too short, because I use 51 grammars for one word. And this is the reason why is this lesson, it's called one word grammar matrix. Maybe this is for you at this moment so complicated how to use it, but this is so simple. I only read with grammar one word in English, only English, and every such a story and everything behind this story was improvised in this situation. And this is so simple, you can use and you can practice it too. And I practiced more than 15 grammar types with one word. This is the best study how to practice words. And now go to the next lesson, because this next lesson, second lesson, will be not shorter such as this lesson. And I will show you everything in real situation in improvisation.